Hey there, today we're diving into the highly anticipated release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Despite the recent launch of the DJI Neo, the Mini series continues to be incredibly popular among aerial photographers due to its unbeatable portability and accessibility. Let's explore the excitement and rumors surrounding this much-awaited device. The new DJI Mini drone has been creating quite a buzz among enthusiasts. Its predecessor, the Mini series, has always been favored for its compact size and ease of use, making it a go-to choice for aerial photography. The anticipation for the latest addition to the series is fueled by the promise of maintaining this portability while potentially introducing significant upgrades. One of the critical aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its ability to stay under the 250 grams weight limit. This is crucial because it allows users to avoid FAA license requirements in the US, making it accessible to more people. However, this also presents some challenges. Larger sensors or batteries which could improve the drone's performance might push the weight limit, requiring careful design trade-offs to maintain the drone's lightweight and compact nature. Rumors are swirling about potential camera upgrades in the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. There's speculation that it might feature a 1-inch sensor, an upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 3-inch sensor. Instead of focusing solely on resolution, the improvements are likely to enhance dynamic range and clarity, offering better low-light performance and sharper image quality for capturing stunning landscapes. Based on DJI's typical annual release cycle, it's expected that the new Mini drone will be unveiled in November, following in the footsteps of the Mini 4 Pro. This timing aligns with DJI's pattern of releasing new models just in time for the holiday season, ensuring that enthusiasts can get their hands on the latest technology as the year comes to a close. The upcoming DJI Mini drone is rumored to include some exciting new features. Enhanced eye tracking is expected to improve object tracking capabilities, making it easier to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles. Additionally, the inclusion of 5G connectivity could offer improved control, smoother live feeds, and high-resolution streaming. These incremental improvements aim to maintain the drone's compact size and flight performance while adding significant value to the user experience. In conclusion, the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a highly anticipated release in the world of aerial photography. By balancing innovation with key features that have made the DJI Mini 5 Pro popular, DJI continues to cater to both hobbyists and professionals. The potential upgrades, including improved eye tracking and 5G connectivity, could significantly enhance the user experience. Moreover, maintaining the compact size and flight performance while introducing a better camera sensor and other features highlights DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Are you excited about the potential camera improvements and other new features? Share your opinions and join the discussion in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth reviews. Also, follow us on social media to stay connected and get the latest news in the world of drones. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.